Hi guys, I thought I would make a quick video about proper indentation because I'm seeing some people that are having some issues with this and it's causing their code not to execute correctly. So Python cares a lot about indentations. And so here I'm working in an IDLE on CodeHS, which I'll do another little video because it's kind of a nice platform to work in that you might enjoy a little more than the one that's in Buzz. But anyway, back to the topic here. Okay, so I wrote this code and purposefully I did not do any indentation. And actually in CodeHS, it will kind of force you to do the indentation as you're typing the code. It sort of anticipates it. But anyway, so here I've created my function, my main function here. And so everything, all the lines of code within the main function have to be indented like a single tab. So, or a single indentation. So I'm going to go and I'm going to move everything that's inside my function over. Okay, so that puts all of this code, that tells it all of this code is a part of this main function here. Then, whenever I do an if or else statement, the commands that need to be executed within that if or else have to be indented once more. So this one, this print statement, goes with the if. So it's going to be indented one more time. And then the same thing with the else in there to get the proper indentation there for that. The other thing I wanted to mention is that it's probably a good thing to just consistently use the tab key to do your indentations, because one of the things that Python does not like is if on the same line, like maybe you hit the tab key and then you use the space bar, it doesn't like you to mix tabs and spaces. So I would just say, just get in the habit of whenever you need to indent, use the tab key, okay? But don't forget to do your indentations properly.